Hello and welcome. Right now I'm going to review the LocalsGuide icon builder. You should be logged into your LocalsGuide account. You can see all of your guides here displayed on your global control panel. Click into the guide where you want to create a category. Click Add Category, and this will bring up your icon builder. Once your icon builder is open, you can select from any number of over 600 different icons to pair up with any number of different backgrounds. And we have over 50 different backgrounds to select from. And they're all easily, once you choose what you want, just choose the style. If you want to change it, just move it around. It's all quick, dynamic. You can also put things in circles. Once you have the icon that you want, then go ahead and select this icon. It will add it into your guide and go ahead and publish it from there. We created the icon builder as a way for you to quickly and easily create images that are professional looking, and we hope you'll really enjoy it. It's been a great feature and fun for us to make, and really has come out nicely for the LocalsGuide system. Okay, and that's the tour. I'm going to just change this one, and there you can change it anytime you want, quickly and easily.